Alrighty, Chris, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description of this combination. Got AFR cylinder heads on it. Obviously Borla. Beautiful polished setup. Shelby covers. Beautiful polished front end on it. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Fuel management, Terminator X Holley. Got the front sump oil pan. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,600, 456 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 536, peak horsepower 582. We're rated at 575. Got our front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the Borla. Get her off there, give her a break, come your way. Have a great day.